In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hubspot Academy in 2025. Logging into Hubspot Academy is an essential step for accessing all the educational resources and training that HubSpot offers. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, this simple guide will walk you through each step, making sure you can access all the learning tools you need without any hassle. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by typing www.hubspot.com into the address bar and hitting enter. The HubSpot homepage is your gateway to all of HubSpot's services, including the HubSpot Academy. It's thoughtfully designed to provide easy navigation, so finding your way around should be quite straightforward. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate and click on the Login button. You'll typically find this button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking Login will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. This step is crucial as it ensures that your access is secured and personalized according to your account settings. After you've clicked the Login button, you should now find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, you'll have a wide range of options depending on what you need from HubSpot. For our purpose, let's focus on accessing HubSpot Academy. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page as it is the central hub of your HubSpot journey. Next, look for your profile icon on the HubSpot homepage. Once you've located your profile, click on it. This profile section is where you can manage your account settings, profile details, and access various HubSpot features. Clicking on your profile is the bridge to getting us one step closer to accessing HubSpot Academy. After clicking on your profile, you will see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy is a dedicated platform where you can find training programs and courses that will help you expand your business skills or learn more about how to use HubSpot products effectively. It's an invaluable resource for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Lastly, we're almost there. You'll see a highlight or feature section related to the Academy on the page. Click on the highlight to start exploring the courses and training sessions available. The feature sections usually showcase popular courses or updates, so it's always beneficial to check them out for the latest learning opportunities. And there you have it. You are now logged in and ready to embark on your HubSpot Academy journey. With these steps, accessing all the educational tools and resources HubSpot has to offer should be a breeze. Explore and enjoy all the learning experiences waiting for you.